Hey, everybody! Welcome to our channel. In this video, friends, I will tell you and show you how you can easily add a GIF as a profile picture on WhatsApp. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes below the video and also write your comments. And let us get started. Please open the WhatsApp app on your device, please, friends. Now you will need to go to Settings here. Then select your name at the top and now tap Edit. Next, you will need to click Edit option at the top. And here select Please change the photo. You can choose from the gallery of GIFs that you've previously uploaded or added here. So just scroll through your gallery list and select your GIF image. Then click on that image. And then you can see how that GIF will move for you. But keep in mind that when you set it as your WhatsApp profile image, you won't see any movement in the future. Your GIF image, it will kind of freeze. So please keep this fact in mind. So, after you set your GIF, just click Change and wait for a few seconds for your image to be set. That's how quick and easy you can add as your profile picture in WhatsApp. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to put likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.